Now, question of the day, our motor determined T4. How can be determined? First of all, whole system in equilibrium. So if you focus on that one, here T2, T4, here T3, here T2. Okay. Now, after that, the whole system equilibrium, then this one, this one. Okay. That one written corresponding to y-axis component T4 cos 60 degree. Okay, and that one written T4 sin 60 degree. Okay, and here T2 corresponding to that direction T2 cos 30 degree, and here T2 sin how much? 30 degree. Clear? Okay, now after that, here T2, here T1, here weight how much? 10g. It means here also 10g. Okay, clear or not? If any doubt, the whole system in equilibrium. So if you consider T5, so T5 this will equal to 10g. So that one is T5. So T5 also 10g. Clear or not? Okay. And what about that angle? That angle is here 30, here 90. So that angle is 60 degree. If you make free body diagram of that point, okay. So T2, that one is written T2 cos 60, here T2 sin 60. Okay. First of all, determine corresponding that one. T2 sin 60 equal to 10g. T2 sin 60, this will equal to 10g. So T2 is written as 10 into g divided by sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2. So basically that one 20g divided by root 3. Okay. T2 is like that one. T1 this will equal to T2 sin T2. T1 this will equal to how much? T2 sin cos 30. Cos 30 is how much? That is root 3 by 2. So you can say that root 3 by 2. T2 is also 2g by root 3. So you can say that root 3 cancel. So find it 10g. So T2 is 10g. Clear or not? T2 is 10g. Okay. T2 10g and sorry, T1 is 10g, T2 is 20g by root 3. Okay. Now whole system in equilibrium. So T4 cos 60, this will equal to how much? T2 cos 30, that is T2 cos 30 degree. Okay, cos 60 is how much? 1 by 2. So T4 1 by 2, this will equal to T2 is 20 by root 3 into g. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So that one is written 10g. So T4 is 20g. Okay, 20 into g 9.8, that is how much? 196 Newton. So T4 is 196 Newton. Now, next target is if you determine T3, so T3 is written as here, if you see very carefully, component of T3 plus T2 sin 30, T2 sin 30 plus T3, this is equal to T4 cos T4 sin 60. What about T2? T2 is how much? 20 g by root 3 1 by 2 plus T3 root 3 by 2. Then what about T3? T3 is written as T4 is already given 196 root 3 divided by 2 minus, that is 10 into 9.8 divided by root 3. Okay, so what about T3? 196 into root 3, that is how much? Like that one, divided by 2. So T3 is 169.74 minus 98 by root 3, that is 5.65. Okay, how much? 174, that is 3.15 Newton. Okay, so final answer we got. What about T1? T1 is 10g. What about T2? T2 20g by root 3. What about T3? 113.15 Newton. And what about T4? Like that one. If any doubt, then comment it, I will discuss again.